What is LuckyFine Hyaluronic Acid and Vitamin C Serum? Natural hyaluronic acid serum for face containing various ingredients including hyaluronic acid, silk amino acids, malic acid, tocopherol, VitaminE, ascorbic acid, VitaminC, creatine, retinol ECT. Fade dark spots, soften fine lines, reversing the effects of time and helping your skin rejuvenate again. Features: reduces fine lines and wrinkles, improves skin texture by age, brightens skin and reduce melanin, deeply moisturizes to dry, dull skin, enhances skin elasticity efficacy. Hyaluronic acid serum has lots of benefits in effective hydration and anti-aging, such as fix uneven skin tone, heal skin dryness and reduce fine lines and wrinkles. 100% pure and stable hyaluronic acid and vitamin C at the highest concentration, its fullest potential in instantly brighter complexion with maximum results can be ensured. Hyaluronic acid effectively binds water to cells and is responsible for the elasticity and resiliency of the skin. Usage: 1. Apply toner after the skin washed and the water dried. 2. Take small amount of serum into a part of the hand between the thumb and the index finger. 3. Then gently pat on the face and neck and massage from the middle to both sides until the serum is absorbed totally. 4. Apply lotion to enhance the effect of water lock. Tips: this product can be used every morning or evening. To achieve the effect of skin moisture, please apply the toner into face before use hyaluronic serum. When the skin is dry, the use of a high concentration of hyaluronic acid solution will suck the moisture in the skin instead of moisturizing it. Follow with high-quality moisturizer or facial cream to get better effect, e.g., Snail Face Repair Cream in our shop is a nice choice. B078NSFHB7, Powerful Anti-Aging Serum. LuckyFine Potent Hyaluronic Acid Serum help reduce fine lines and wrinkles on face, stimulates the generation of collagen album, helps deeply nourish skin, which make your skin smoother. Hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. LuckyFine Hyaluronic Acid and Vitamin C Serum contains pure vitamin C, which help diminish the dark spots and hyperpigmentation, as well as repair skin, moisturizing your dry skin to be youthful and glowing. Multi-purpose correction: in addition to powerful anti-aging properties of hyaluronic acid serum, vitamin C in this facial serum has helped to shrink pores, clear up acne, and minimize the appearance of acne scars. Natural and organic. LuckyFine Serum Concentrated Hyaluronic Acid Serum with Vitamin C has not only been proven to be effective, but it's surprisingly gentle too, and the perfect solution for even the most sensitive skin types. Rapid absorption. LuckyFine Hyaluronic Acid compose of small molecular structure, which more easier to absorb than normal hyaluronic acid. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.